I've come to my MakeCode account, which you don't need to sign into. It just remembers you your computer, and I'm going to make a new project. And the address to get here is makecode.microbit.org. So I'm going to click on a new project. Give my project a name. Let's call it Kitronik, and click Create. Now, to use the motorboard, we need to add an extra block to this list here. If this is your first time on Microbit, you need to see that these are the basic blocks down here, and then you've got the advanced stuff down here, and in the next video we'll look at functions, and we might look at variables as well. And right at the very bottom here you can see this link to extensions. You can also get to it over here in the settings. You can click on extensions as well. There's two ways to get to it. I'll get to it from here, and you can see on the extensions there's a whole library of extensions you can choose from, and these keep getting longer and longer each week as more third-party organizations bring out more objects for you. You can also search quickly through here. I'm going to just type in Kitronik, type enter, and you can see here's all the options here. And I clicked on the motor driver inadvertently quickly. Let's just do it again. So if we click on here, extensions, type in Kitronik, I was going to show you. Just going to show you all the other options that are here. There's lots of them. So depending what you've got, but the one we wanted is the one at the very top here, the motor driver, which I've already added. And as you can see here, it's here, the motor driver. Now inside this block, there isn't very much. There's just the motor 1 and turn off motors, only 2 blocks, but these will control your motors via the Kitronik Motorboard. And you can just drag these out, and let's just do a basic block here. So we do on button A, and then motor driver on here. So on button A pressed, here's a simple go forward command. Turn motor 1, make sure you turn to motor 2. And you set the direction forward. Obviously if you set a speed of 0, nothing's going to happen. You can go to 100% speed. My recommendation is that you keep it quite slow. If you keep it slow, it's going to make things more accurate for you. The faster you are, the more likely you're going to have other variables creep into your design, and you'll get errors happening, friction, other things like the drag post at the back of the robot could get caught on something. So if you do things slowly, you've got a higher degree of success. So that's how you add the Kitronik motor driver blocks to your Microbit project.